Us right here at Phoenix Sky Harbor, we're currently sitting at 44 degrees and those winds pretty light, less than 10 miles an hour right now. Most of the valley is waking up with chilly temperatures, upper 30s to low 40s at this time. So, we're still going to be seeing pretty seasonable overnight temps. So this is normal for what we should be at this time of year. It's the afternoon that starts to get a little dicey. But across the state right now, wow, look at how cold it is in the Grand Canyon and Window Rock, down into the teens there. Only 27 in Flagstaff and only 28 right now in Winslow. So looks to be like some of our coldest spots this morning. Your air quality is going to be in the moderate category today because of some dust and fine particles. That air quality alert is no longer in place, so that's some good news. That burn ban also lifted for today. Here's a look at Futurecast. As we take a look at this here, I take it to about 2 o'clock. I wanted to stop it then. That's when I think we're going to start to see some clouds kind of pass over the valley. Still keeping things mostly clear throughout the day today, even through your evening. And by tonight, we get some high level clouds pushing through, but pretty clear conditions overall. Here's a look at how our temperatures are going to go hour by hour for today. By 8 a.m., still sitting in those 40s. It's still going to be cool. We'll see upper 50s by that late morning time. And then as we get into the afternoon, take a look. 60s are in play for us here. Dry and mild conditions overall. As we saw with Futurecast, not tracking any rain, right? Here's a look at those statewide highs. 55 for us today in Show Low. We'll get to 63 in Globe, also 62 in Payson as well as Prescott. Those temperatures out to the west of us here, upper 60s to low 70s. It looks to be some of our warm spots too, like Hilo Bend and Yuma, both topping out in the upper 60s to low 70s. Now, valley highs today, keeping in mind we should typically be topping out in the mid 60s. We're going to be about 2-3 degrees above that. We'll get to 67 today in Mesa, Gilbert, and Chandler. 68 today for us in Tempe as well as Glendale. We'll also see 67 today for those West Valley cities like Peoria, Laveen, and Goodyear. Let's talk about the next 7 days though, right? We've been talking about high pressure coming in and how long is it going to last? Well, take a look. That's going to send our temperatures up for tomorrow into the mid 70s, and we'll stay there through Thursday as well. But Thursday, those clouds really start to push out and we'll see our clear skies that we're used to seeing back here, right? Mid 70s for the better part of this week. And as we get into your New Year's Eve, it looks like 2017 is going to be kicking off as a warm one. Still expecting 70s these next 7 days, but a little bit more cloud coverage as we wrap up 2017.